Let's talk about how to use start page login ads to generate more traffic and leads for your affiliate offers products and services. Start page login ads are advertisements displayed to users immediately after they log into a website, typically on platforms like safe lists, traffic exchanges, and membership-based marketing sites. These ads ensure maximum visibility because they appear as the first thing users see before accessing their dashboard or member area, which sets the stage for high engagement. Because users must see the ad before proceeding to the members area, this increases your click-through rates. And since users are logging into these networks every minute of the hour of every day, it's a cost-effective advertising strategy for positioning your offers in front of an active niche audience. Start page login ads are great for boosting conversions, growing your email lists, and increasing your brand awareness. The new Start Page Login Ads Advertising Rolodex is your one-stop shop for instant access to over a dozen login ad resources. And the new Rolodex includes a free viral list builder, making it easier to grow your email list exponentially. And the all-new Login Start Page Rolodex Affiliate Funnel, meaning now, the Rolodex can be custom-coded and loaded with your affiliate links, earning you affiliate commissions, sharing the Rolodex with others. If you're ready to fire up your login ads advertising Rolodex, click the link below to get started.